This is the brand new iPad mini. It's totally unboxed. We're going to unbox it today. This is the Apple packing. Just peel it off. You don't need to rip it. You just need to love it, because this is the amazing new iPad mini. Alright. This is also pretty hard. We are going to peel this off. It's not stuck. Alright, I need to figure it out. Okay, this is the back portion. Oh, it's morning, 10 o'clock. It's the right time to unstitched. Oh. So here it is, the iPad mini. Right, let's see what we get alongside. Right, seems to be manuals. Alright, don't need to see that. Right, this is the charger we get, the USB charger, and this is the new lightning connector Apple was talking about. It's pretty cool, both sides. And an empty box. Just keep it for records. So, get the aluminium surface